Hello friends, in today's class we are going to do our key shot by keylight tool. If you are with us from start, maybe you know previously we learned keyer and perimeter tool with the same footage. As we are continuing this in upcoming classes, we are going forward from basic comp to complex shots. So be with us, hit the subscribe button, and trust me guys, we are going to do lot more things in future. So guys, my name is Balkishan. Welcome to VFX episodes. Let's start the class. So let's take a keylight. You can get this from here also. If you can see here, we have this source node here to connect. One we have in mask and one out mask, and this one is BG. Okay, so we can connect this to our source. If you have any BG, you can see our background by connecting here in composite mode. And shortly I will tell you what in mask, out mask, and these settings and their work. So as always, before starting your work, remember to denoise your plate and make a render out of it. So if you can see here, it's showing we have final result in view option, which is by default. Apart from that, we have source alpha, screen matte, inside mask, outside mask. Bottom we have composite. As we are going forward, we will learn everything step by step. Okay, there are a lot of things here. If I tell you everything at once, maybe it's bounce from beginner's mind. So be with me. We are going to do lot more shots, and as per the every shot requirement, whenever it's needed, we will discuss all settings and tools together. Okay, so after final result in view, here you can see there is a box of unprimed. Don't do anything here, leave it as unchecked. If you have any question like what it is, so for that sooner I will make a full video of pre-multiply and unpre-multiply. For now, leave it as it is. After that, let's come to screen color. So we have green screen color. Pick a screen color from here, press Ctrl and select good screen sample from any area. According to sample area, this will give you this matte. Black means transparent background and white alpha is our character in foreground. If you want to select area, not single pixel, then for that select by pressing Ctrl Shift and dragging the left button on mouse. During selection, when you are getting this fluctuation, then to solve this, press Alt along with Ctrl and Shift. Try to select screen sample from best of best area, so we will get good matte like maximum background transparent and good matte on foreground with details also. So as you can see, we have bit of noise in black area, so for that we will increase the screen gain. Okay, now mostly we have decent matte, but in case if you feel some noise in BG or need more refined matte, then come to the screen matte and tweak this split black and white setting accordingly. This will allow you to fix noisy matte. I have already shown this in my previous in-shot video where I have explained all important game tools. In future also, as we are doing more shots simultaneously, we will tweak all settings as per shots. Now I am using this keylight for soft matte, and for hard matte, let me take perimeter tool. Although 95% of the time I used to do soft matte by IBK Gizmo, but now this class is to learn keylight, so we are doing our key shot by keylight. Otherwise, once we learn IBK Gizmo, which is mostly probably our next video, after that I always try to do soft matte by IBK Gizmo itself, because that will give you amazing results. But never underestimate keylight, because this is also one of the most important keying tool. So let's connect pre-made. If this f-stop or gamma is here and there, then just click here with Ctrl. It will come to the default position. Also, if you click here on Y, then also it comes to the default position. Okay. Go to pre-made and hit auto compute. Come to operation and then clean background noise by pressing Ctrl and select affected pixel, and Ctrl Shift to select the area. Same clean foreground noise, and by selecting this, let's fix foreground also, and Control Shift to select the area. So we have one hard mat and one soft mat, because we are all we are taking edges from soft mat. So if we have any hole or anything in inner core mat, like for that we need hard mat. So I'm going to take erode to shrink the edges, because we don't want edges here, because we are taking edges from soft mat. So let's shrink it bit. Now this is too sharp, so for just to fix this, I'm going to take a blur and just blur this edge. Okay, now I'm getting a bit fall off. So this hard mat is going to inside my soft mat. Now it was my hard mat and this is my soft mat. So after combining both, you can see like previously we have hole inside, but now we have proper mat. So if you can see, we have a good amount of details here, but I need more details. I want more details here. I just want to take one more key light for hair details. And this key light is only for hair detail. And as you know, in this class we are doing everything by key light. Otherwise, this is good option to do this hair detail by IPK Gizmo. But for now, I'm doing this from key light. Let's select one good area from here. We need to concentrate on hair details only. So let's take one key mix. I'm taking key mix because I just want only the hair parts. After that, we have roto. We need to animate this roto according to the motion of his head. Let's increase the feather by press Ctrl and drag your left button. Let me animate this roto. And I have taken one blur node because I don't want hard alpha in my mask. So for smoothen the edges, I am taking this blur node. Let me name this key for hair. See, first key is for my overall character key, and this key is only for the hair details. If you can see, we have like a good amount of difference. We need to fix this alpha also. and this. After finishing this, we need to take one copy node. So why we are taking copy node? Because we need to copy our alpha to my footage. So A is connected to my comp and V is connected to the scan, my plate. After that, we need to take a pre-mult. Let's connect below the copy node. See, we have good alpha. So let me take a BG. So after that, we need to connect reformat because the resolution is different from my original scan. Okay. Let's connect merge. Let me put here A connected to my foreground, B connected to my background. Now you can see we have good amount of like hair details, but we can see like we have a green tint. We need to fix this, and this is called spill. And the process when we remove this green spill is called despill. So we have full process of despill. Okay, but now uh, let me show you how to despill this in short. Also later on, like in future, we will going to do in-depth video on despill. Okay, and let me tell you also, like despill is very important thing. Okay, so let me write down despill. So for despill process, we have lot of options. We have keylight, pxfql spill, despill madness, and so many tools to fix spill. Most of the time I use pxfql spill because it works very well. See, just I'm connecting here and see, automatically it's remove lot of green from my hair. If you want, you can use keylight also. In screen color, you need to do 1. See, lot of green is removed from our hair, but still we have green is left. If we can see, our luma value is also like reduced. To fix this, we need to add merge node here. In this merge node, we need to do minus. Okay, and one saturation, and we need to desaturate this green color and plus it again by taking one merge node and do it plus. Let me take one crop node here to fix this. See, if you can see here, the luma value which we are losing previously is fixed now. Okay, the luminance value which we are losing previously, now it's remains same, right? So we have fixed our spill without change in luma value. Okay, as of now, let me leave here. Still, like if you can see, we have green tone here. So let me disable this and take one kill spell. Still, like if you can see, we have white edges here. And definitely we are going to fix it by edge blending. See, here we have white edges, and definitely we are going to fix it. And of course, like in future, we are going to take a in-depth video on edge blending. See, any type of shot we have, if we have like motion blur, very big, good amount of hair details, everything is possible. Okay, we can do everything in edge details. For now, let me fix it. Let me take one erode. Just to erode bit of these edges inside. Okay, we don't want to miss lot of edges. Let me conduct one edge blur here. See, after adding edge blur, our edge is smooth now. If you compare with original, we are missing some edges. Let me fix it. Like we have a lot of tools for edge blending, and definitely we are going to do all those tools. For this white edges, let me do one more edge blur. And this edge blur is only for hairs. Let me take mask from here. Because this problem is mostly on hairs. Okay, so I have taken this hair mask. So what I'm going to do with this edge blur, wait, actually I love like neat and clean comp. So like during the shot, my habit is to clean the comp and make it very clear and clean. Okay, and this is actually a good thing for hair edges. What I will do here, let me increase a bit more blur. Wait. Now let's reduce some brightness. Okay, let me match some colors. So let me add some brightness here. Okay, now it's looking much more better. Also, I have added like grains in this shot. I'm going to take full class on grains. Now you can see Like we have good edges if you compare with the original scan. That is very decent like key. You can see like lot of details are there, almost every details are there. But definitely when we are going to do edge blending, and we are going to do separate class for edge blending, then you will get to know like for any type of shot how to fix edges. Okay, and this is actually very short, so like it's looking very good. Okay, so I'm just thinking to add some light source on the character, because if you can see from window, like there is light is coming inside, and to match better we can add light on foreground. Okay, so let me add mask here. A good amount of light is coming from this side actually. Okay, so let me add light here. Now you can see the character is more integrated with the background. Now the lights is coming from the window, and it's like looking it's over the character. Okay, so it's like more integrated with background. Let's play the shot. So see, it's buffered now. If you can see, we have very decent key as a beginner level. Of course, we can enhance this more in our upcoming classes. And as you can see, very good hair details are there. And apart from this, if we can see in depth, still like we have some white edges, which is very minor, but definitely we are going to do separate in-depth edge blend class, where we can learn complex edge blending shots and different method and techniques of edge blending. Okay, so guys, thank you so much, and still if you are in video, then please show some support and hit the subscribe, like, share buttons, like whatever we have. So thank you so much once again. Have a nice day.